In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up your profile on LinkedIn to get a job fast. Recruiters might receive thousands of job applications each day, but only a few profiles stand out and get noticed, and only these people receive a call back. Do you know why? It's because of their well-built profile. Around 72% of companies hire employees from LinkedIn, and 63% of companies check candidates' LinkedIn profiles before offering them a job. So whether you're a job seeker or an entrepreneur looking for business connections, having a good LinkedIn profile is very important. The first thing that catches people's attention is your profile picture. It's like your first impression. People with professional-looking profile pictures get much more attention than those without one. In fact, they can receive up to 21 times more views and up to 9 times more connection requests. So make sure to add a high-quality profile photo of yourself. Choose a clear, well-lit head and shoulders shot where your face is easy to see. Use natural or professional lighting, keep the background simple and uncluttered, and wear attire that reflects your industry. Aim for a friendly but professional expression and avoid group photos, heavy filters, or distracting elements. Once you have the right picture, upload it to LinkedIn to give your profile a polished and professional look. The next important step is your banner image. Having a professional-looking banner can really make you stand out among other profiles. Choose a banner that reflects your industry, keep it visually clean, and avoid excessive text and logos. You can create one easily with Canva. There you'll find ready-made LinkedIn banner templates. Select one that suits your style, edit the text to personalize it, and download the final version. Then upload it to LinkedIn by editing your profile background, applying your banner, and updating your profile. Another useful step is customizing your profile URL. By default, LinkedIn assigns a URL with random numbers and letters which has no meaning and is harder to share or remember. You can create a custom URL using your name so that your profile appears higher in Google searches and is easier to find. All you need to do is edit your profile, click on the option to change the URL, save it, and refresh to see your new custom link. One of the most important parts of your profile is the headline. This is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile. Instead of simply listing your job title, use it as an opportunity to showcase your expertise and highlight what you are really good at. If you find it difficult to come up with the perfect headline, there are tools available that can generate creative and engaging suggestions based on your profile details. By entering your name, current role, and career highlights, you can instantly receive multiple headline options. Choose the one that best represents you, copy it, and update your LinkedIn profile with it. Another key section is the About section. This is where you can briefly describe yourself in a few words. Keep it concise, use bullet points, and include relevant keywords such as job titles, locations, and skills so recruiters can easily find you. You can add this through your LinkedIn profile settings. If you need help writing a compelling summary, you can also use AI tools that generate customized About Me content based on your information. Review the versions provided, select the one that feels right, and paste it into your profile. The final step is adding your top skills. Pick 3 to 4 strong skills that you truly excel at and add them to your profile. This allows recruiters to quickly understand your strengths and helps match you with the right opportunities. It's even better if you can receive endorsements from colleagues or peers for these skills, as it adds credibility and strengthens your profile. Endorsements from your friends and colleagues, especially from those who share the same skills, can really add value to your LinkedIn profile. When you get endorsed, it appears on your profile in a way that shows credibility to recruiters. If you need help describing your skills, you can use tools like Gravity Write. It offers a profile skills generator where you simply create content and get a list of skills that best suit your background. Once you have them, go back to LinkedIn and add all the skills you want to showcase. After saving, you'll see your top skills displayed under the relevant section. Alongside skills, you can also add your education details to complete your profile. The next step is using the featured section. This is where you can showcase work you are proud of, such as a website you've built, a blog you've written, or a project worth highlighting. Anything you feature here will appear directly on your profile, making it more appealing to recruiters. To set this up, go to the featured section in your profile and click the plus icon. From there, you'll find multiple options to add posts, articles, links, or even images. For example, you can add a blog link by copying the link, pasting it into the section, writing a short description, and saving it. Once added, the blog or work sample will appear neatly in your featured section. Another important addition is certifications and licenses. If you have completed any certifications, display them in your profile to demonstrate your expertise. Simply go to the recommended section, choose licenses and certifications, fill in the details, and save them. Your certificate will then be visible on your profile. If you don't have certifications yet, there's no need to worry. There are plenty of great online courses available that you can take and later add to your LinkedIn profile to strengthen it further. There are excellent platforms where you can take industry-recognized courses and gain certifications. For example, Coursera offers programs and professional certificates from top universities and companies. Udemy provides affordable courses across nearly every field, and SkillLink specializes in engineering, technology, and upskilling programs designed for career advancement. Adding certifications from these platforms not only strengthens your profile but also shows your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth. Once your profile looks professional, the next step is to stay active on LinkedIn to attract more opportunities. Consistent activity ensures you remain visible to recruiters and connections. You can share posts regularly, such as updates, articles, or your thoughts on industry-related topics. To create a post, go to your LinkedIn homepage and start writing. If you run out of ideas, Gravity Write provides a tool to generate content ideas for posts. It can create multiple unique suggestions tailored to your profile and even generate sample posts on various topics. For instance, if you are searching for a job, you can use its job search feature to generate a post announcing your availability. Simply copy the text, paste it on LinkedIn, and publish. You can also use LinkedIn's job search feature directly. Navigate to the Jobs section on your profile, type the role and location you're interested in, and apply filters such as experience level, posting date, or remote work options. Once the results appear, browse through them, and when you find a role that interests you, select Easy Apply. Fill in your details, upload your updated resume, and follow the steps until you reach the submission stage. Review your information carefully before submitting your application. There are also small but effective features that can increase your chances of connecting with recruiters. One such feature is the Open to Work frame on your profile picture. By enabling it, you let recruiters and connections know that you're available for opportunities. To activate it, click your profile picture, select Frames, choose Open to Work, and apply it. Enter the job titles you're seeking, decide whether everyone or only recruiters should see this update, save it, and your profile picture will show a green border signaling your availability. Another useful option is LinkedIn's skill assessments. These quizzes allow you to demonstrate your expertise in different areas. By completing a skill assessment successfully, you earn a badge that appears on your profile, giving employers confidence in your abilities. It's a simple but powerful way to validate your skills and improve your credibility. By following these steps, adding endorsements, featuring your best work, showcasing certifications, staying active, applying strategically, highlighting availability, and completing assessments, you can significantly strengthen your LinkedIn profile and increase your chances of securing opportunities. This process helps your profile stand out, appear more professional, and attract the attention of recruiters.